For the next topic, practices. Practices is a set of organizational resources designing for performing work or accomplishing an objective. Practices are the capability which create the value outcomes for service customers. So there are different ITRL management practices, and the list of general management practices, service management practices, and technical management practices. Knowledge management to maintain and improve the effective, efficient, and convenience use of information and knowledge across the organization. Example, Shopee and Lazada. It's an e-commerce platform that you can find all the things you wanted to buy. It makes things easy by collecting all knowledge and information on a single platform. Service desk. Capture demand for instant resolution and service requests. It should also be the entry point and single point of contact for the service provider with all of its users. Infrastructure and platform management to oversee the infrastructure and platforms used by an organization. For example, Microsoft System Center. It delivers a simplified data center management experience to keep you in control.